now.
I will get in the car and I call my mom. I'm gonna call my mama. Bitch, why are you lying on my fucking...
On July 23, 2024, police rushed to a Florida gas station after the cashier saw several teenagers shoplifting on the security cameras. This is what happened next.
Here, okay, and put it here, and he stand like that all the time. And I say, hey guys, I close the door, so show me everything you take. And they put it here, here, and then stuff here, water, and yeah, it's here. And water, I don't know where. So I told them, I'm gonna call the police, and they start crossing me like fish, you know, that stuff. And that's it. So right now, she told me.
Can you start getting demographics for me, please?
Well, can I speak for myself? Can we speak?
Yeah, we can speak after. I'll get names first.
Okay.
So what do you want done with these, with them?
But my boss, he told me when you have someone like that, just call the police, close the door, and tell them everything happened, and let them do whatever.
Okay.
Canoe. He can go?
Yeah. No, he didn't do it.
Excuse me, sir. You admitted that right or wrong? Did you or did you not admit to that?
So right now, you're gonna stay
No, I'm
here.
asking you why she can't admit to what she said the first time, though. I'm asking why she can't admit.
Are you gonna give me an opportunity to talk, or are you gonna continue?
Talk.
So right now, I'm going to review the security cameras, and then we'll figure out what's all going on. And what you're saying is will be recorded on the security cameras if she said you didn't do anything, all right? So in the meantime, just work with Officer Weaver and Officer Hobart and get your demographics. You're not leaving right now. No. Okay. Oh. Ah. Always.
727. 727.
Go in. If you want to go in, you can go in.
I don't know what to do. I don't want to hurt anyone or do anything bad for anyone, but at the same time,
what I can do is I can trespass them so that they can't come back. How does that sound?
Yeah, that good.
My ID, that's not your ID to take.
I forgot.
I can't get my ID back.
Oh, let's push it back in here. I don't want to sound the door anymore. Push it in.
No, Mama, I did not give you my ID. Wait,
Put
your hand behind your back right now.
Now, bro, get blood, bro.
Your behavior.
Hey, call my mom because I'm getting my ID back, bro. I'm not doing nothing.
Now. I'm not calling your mom, you're 18.
Bro, bitches, I'm still to call my mom.
We're going to the corner.
We have it.
Get my bro. Call my mama again. When y'all call my mama, what you got to do? My dad called me. Call my mother. I can call my mother.
No, we're not calling anybody.
Oh, yes, I can. I don't care. Am I doing it or not? Bro, let me call my mama. I want a female to search me. I don't want no male searching me. I want a female to search me. You're not a female. I'm asking you to have a female search me. You're not a female.
I'm not required to have one. No, if nothing, sit down in the car. No, you can't. Sit in the car now. You're under arrest.
Once the officers put the woman in the car, her behavior only got worse.
Bro, yes you did. Yes you did. You did not read my face right, bro. I will get in the car and I call my. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. No, bro, you doing too much. I can get in the car myself, but I can't. I'm trying to get up in the car. Bro, I'm asking you to call my mother. You not trying to call my mother.
You're under arrest. You're detained for an investigation. You're not snatching your ID out of my hand.
Thank you. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I noticed. No. And I'm telling you no.
That's being trespassed?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yes. He said you got his info?
Yeah,
or was it
getting it when that happened.
Okay.
So,
if you finish
his trespassing for you if you want.
Ain't nothing wrong with telling you to call my mama. I can call my mama. I'm asking to call my mama. Bitch, I can use my phone call to call my mama. Dumb asshole.
At the jail you can.
Are you in school or what are you doing nowadays?
I'm graduating this year. Well,
good job.
the upcoming year.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a lawyer.
Yeah?
Yeah. But not dealing with this BS.
Oh, on, bro.
You need to sit down.
No, I don't. I don't got to do a fuck thing, bro. You don't have nothing to hold me for. Is it because I'm black and pretty and you're ugly?
It has nothing to do with that at all.
Clearly it is. Clearly it is. Clearly it is.
This here is a civil thing. It's not a big deal. Okay? Disappears after 1 year. All right? But just don't get yourself involved any further. All right? And you'll be fine.
Okay.
You had no right to touch me, bro. I felt violated. If I felt sexual harassed or any type of assault, I can make that into a report.
Okay, you can report it.
And I will report it. But after this investigation over, you gonna see that I didn't do nothing wrong. You gonna let me go.
Well, you should have thought about that.
You gonna after this investigation over, you gonna see I didn't do nothing wrong, and I'm getting go back to my child. That's all I've been trying to do. The fuck, bitch, y'all got the wrong things going on.
Okay.
So is she getting arrested?
I got to talk to the other officer and see what she did that caused him to put her in handcuffs. Okay? I was fixing to do it because of her attitude, the way she was. I was concerned that she might try to strike out at me or one of the other guys.
That's why before y'all got here, I kept trying to calm her down, bro.
I didn't do anything wrong. You grabbed my ID. I asked for my ID back. You tried to say I tried to snatch it. I just asked for my ID back. I literally put my hand out and then I touched it. You snatched it back down. What did you say? It's all on your camera. If your camera wasn't recorded, it's gonna see that I touched my ID. You snatched it down. Then tried to say, oh, you snatched from me. Bitch, it's my shit. I didn't snatch shit from you. I don't have no reason to snatch from nobody. Fuck, bitch.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Obstruction.
What did I destroy?
My investigation.
No, I did not. I didn't even do nothing. You lied. You lied on my mom. You just lied, bro. You just lied on my name, bro. You just lied on me, bro. You literally just sat up here and lied on me, bro. You just sat up here and lied on me, bro. Oh my God, bro. Why are you lying on my fucking name, bro? Like, what's wrong with you, bro? Like, I don't know what's wrong with you, but I didn't do nothing, bro. Yo, just got still going on. I didn't do nothing wrong, so I don't understand. How am I under arrest for doing nothing? I didn't do nothing. I gave you my name. I gave you my mama number. All that, so what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Because I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong. You still trying to say I did, so then I didn't do nothing.
Resisting an officer, trespassing on school grounds, trespassing, resisting an officer, resisting an officer, burglary, resisting an officer. You have a pattern of behavior here.
No, I don't. I don't even steal. What the fuck? I'm under arrest because of my charges already. What the fuck? Bitch, you lying. Oh, you lying, bro. 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 I'm not under arrest for not doing shit, bro.
I appreciate you working with us. If she would have been calm, she would have wound up getting one of these pieces of papers and walking away.
If I snatched my ID, why you still have my job? Come on now. Let's talk about it.
I don't want to talk.
If I snatched my ID, why you still had it in your hand? You never read me none of my rights.
Correct.
So guess what? I could sue you for that.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
I don't have any questions for you.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You before you put me in the arrest, you had to tell me why I was under arrest. You didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me that. But it's okay. It's okay, Pookie. It's okay. You got that. Oh, 100. Bitch, you got that. It's still going. You still gonna see that I didn't do nothing wrong. So I don't care. I really don't. No, I don't care because I want to get me a lawyer. I want to sue you.
Okay.
I want to sue you. Thank you very much.
The woman was charged with resisting without violence and issued a trespass warning for the business.